Okay, here I'm going to show you how to use both the boom bar and the pop-up plugin. We're in your dashboard. We'll start with the pop-up plugin because it's so simple. Go down here to Hustle and go to pop-ups. You can do so much with this plugin. I'm really underusing it, and I'm kind of like okay with that. All right, I have the pop-up turned on off for now, just to demo it. Here's your website. You refresh, and you pretend to leave, and nothing happens. But here, I click on that, and then I click live, and give it a moment. Then I go back to your website and I refresh it again. And I pretend to leave and I hope it works. Ta-da! And now there's your pop-up. Now everybody, if your customer, they're leaving anyway, so you might as well give it one last shot to get them to call you. And the way these work is, they tell you they have the $50 off coupon before you even come out. That way you mark something up an extra $50 to make up for it. So anyway, to get out of the pop-up, they just have to click anywhere on the page and it goes back to normal. Okay, let me shut that back off. And we'll go here. If you want to edit the pop-up, I go here to exit pop-up because that's the name of this pop-up. And this is so simple. That's why I use this, and I've only ever used the free version of it. So you go down here. I'm using a featured image, and you simply, if you want to change a pop-up, make yourself a new image that says, 10% off or whatever you want it to say, and then you simply add it here. You click browse, and you find a photo you like or one that you made. And then once you have it, you click continue, and then finally save. So, there we go. And at any time you can preview your pop-up here. Just click that button and it previews it. Click off the screen and you're done. So you can either keep clicking continue or just click save and be done with it. Okay, that's just the basics of the pop-up. Let me go back to the dash, get rid of this. Oh, that didn't work so well. Okay, back in the dash, here is the boom bar. The boom bar is my favorite thing. It is this little brown bar down here that says Bend Blind, schedule your free no pressure consultation. Now, the boom bar is called a sticky boom bar because it sticks to the bottom no matter where they go. Okay, just like up here, this is a sticky banner or sticky header. I don't remember what they call it, because this stays no matter where they scroll or where they go. It's always there, and the boom bar is always there. Now, to edit the boom bar, you click on boom bar and existing bars. You can do a different boom bar for every single page. This is my favorite thing because it keeps people's attention and your phone number is never far away from them. So you click on the existing boom bars, and here's the one that I made. It's called main bar. You click edit. And then right here is where you put in the text you want it to say. If you wanted it to hyperlink to somewhere else, you can put your link here. But I don't, so I just put the hashtag symbol there, and then you're done. You can change the color, the font, all kinds of stuff. You can, most of this you don't need. You can even set it to start on a certain date and end on a certain date. But I think this is all we really need, is just this, the simple one. Now, when you go into one of your pages, I'm going to go to a page. Come on. All right. We're in the cellular page. That's where when you click on I'm sure you already know, but let's say you clicked here. This is the cellular page, okay? Right here is a short code for the slider. That's what gives you all your images. And here, the boom bar is on the right. If you made another boom bar, right here, the main boom bar is what's here, or default is, I'm assuming it's still the main boom bar. You can choose whatever boom bar you want. It shows up right here. But since I'm right here, I might as well just do this instead of doing a whole nother video. The all-in-one SEO pack is my favorite one. Here you put the name, the title of the page, your description of the page. You know, we carry beautiful cellular blinds, blah, blah, blah. In the description, what you write here is going to show up on Google. Let's say beautiful blinds are here. Okay, now when it gets listed in Google, this is what it'll show: cellular shades, your web address, and then the description. Beautiful blinds are here. And then you can do your keywords, separate them by a comma, and enter in whatever keywords you want. So every single page will get their keywords. Don't put no index or no follow. Keep those open unless you have a secret page you don't want Google to figure out. So is there anything else on this page you needed? The sidebars, I don't display them because I don't think they'll look good. Here is your cellular shade. If you had a sidebar on here, on these pages, I don't see a need for them. Let me just quickly see. You know, just in case you can't tell, I really suck at doing videos, but I figure even a horrible video is at least a starting place. Okay, see, here's the sidebar. And you can put anything you want in the sidebar. Let me show you. Oh, this is going to be much longer than I had thought it would be. Go to Appearance, Widgets, and see here you have sidebar. Trying to figure out which one. I think that one has the default sidebar where it has search, recent posts, and recent comments. Let me see. Yep, search, recent posts, recent comments. The way to do these is actually kind of fun. If you want a list of your pages, you simply hold your mouse key down and you bring it here. All right, now, okay, my list of pages. And you hit save. Then you go back here, you hit refresh. Now, right here on your sidebar has a list of all your pages. It's already linked. And it's really just that simple. So again, this is the default sidebar. And let's go back to your pages. I think we were on cellular. Now let's remove the sidebar because we don't want that showing up right now. All right, see here? I have it as a right sidebar. You can put it as a left sidebar or none. And we're going to put it back to none. Now, do you see the header here? The image that's behind it? The way to get that image is down here, go to the feature image and upload whatever image you want. Okay, you know what? I think I covered just about everything I wanted to in this video and more. Sorry, I didn't mean to ramble on. Okay.